Crazy Candy here. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been ages since my last video upload, so I decided I should make time. I've originally wanted to vlog about my garage flooring install, but my raised deck flooring or my raised deck tiles are not here yet. But on a lighter note, the custom garage emblems that I ordered from Etsy, they got shipped quicker than I anticipated, so I figured might as well create a vlog out of this experience or out of this process. So maybe you find this video helpful in case you guys decide to purchase something similar to this, or if you're a car enthusiast or you just want to update your garage or beautify your garage. I think this video will be very helpful for you. That's the before wall looks like. So that's where I'm going to install the Corvette logo and the Corvette lettering, and the back wall is where the SRT will be placed. Just so you know, this vlog or this project is not a one-day activity for me. This has required multiple days for me to accomplish, like waiting for the paint to dry, waiting for the curing for the epoxy, prepping, and procrastinating in between. No, but I think I've managed to complete the task. So here's what transpired during the completion of the project. Creating my border. I'm just eyeballing it, basically, with my handy little ruler. The sheet that came with the packaging definitely comes in handy. This video is not a walkthrough video, but I'm sure you will have an easy visualization of how these emblems look in other people's garage, such as my garage. I really recommend this decor or garden, what the fuck? I really recommend these garage emblems because they look very modernistic and it's not very common, and that's what I like. And if you ever decide to buy these emblems and you need like a creative suggestion or something as far as installing this, or you know, color combination wise, layout designing wise, just let me know. I'll try and I will help you, no charge.
I'm crazy, but you like that. I bite bad faces on your nightstand. Never forget, blossom in the moonlight. Scoop eyes, face you with the blue eyes.
This is the paint I am going to be using. A gallon of this matte satin navy blue. That one. I'll be using most of that shade, and then I add a little bit of matte black as well. And for my highlights, or give it a nice accent, I'll use this glossy, more of a neutral gold. It looks like a sunny yellow, but it's gold. That's what it looks like. I just put some tape to separate my paint. First coat for the black and gold is done. We're just gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll possibly apply one final coat, and then that should be it. I just removed the tape. It's not very sharp on the edge. It's not very perfect. First time I've done this, but I kind of like it because it has this, and what do you call it? It's not very sharp. You have this more of a textured, grungy, uneven, staggered look, staggered edges, which is, I think I like it like that. Yes, I'm totally justifying my imperfection and my failure. No, I think it came out really good. That I ordered, I got the Corvette logo as well as the Corvette lettering. It's jumbled. And then the SRT, because there's no favoritism amongst my babies. Like I said, I got these emblems from a company called Enthusiworks. You guys can check it out or check them out on Etsy. And just so you know, I am not being sponsored by them. I just happen to love the look of these emblems. For me, they're very modernistic and I find them really unique. And I think the material is called the bond. It's an aluminum composite, about an 8-inch thick. And these are the types of emblems that you see in some of these upscale dealerships. And you could basically use a double-sided tape to install them. They're not very heavy, or a Velcro. But for this method, for this installation, I'll be using some magnets to create a more three-dimensional look so that these things will protrude much better, so you got a good separation from the wall. As a result, they don't look flat at all. These are the materials I'll be needing for the installations. I got all the specified materials based on the tutorial that the owner of the company sent me. I think the YouTube name is Protective Dad Pranks. He also owns a Corvette and he installed the same Corvette logo with the Corvette lettering. So I will be doing the same method totally as is. So for this project, you need some magnets. I know I did some magnet shopping spree. So 3/4-inch magnets, epoxy, some screws, and double-sided tape, and some washers. Removing the back film, protective film, so I could attach the epoxy to magnets. Thank you, son. Love ya. You love mommy. Oh, always, huh? You do. I know. I could get it. Thank you. We're gonna be listening to this song on repeat the whole day. I'm gonna be installing this first. This is gonna be my guide. This is not even the most complicated one. The most complicated one is the Corvette, the jumbled Corvette lettering, but this will serve as my guide. I'll add 3 more magnets for each placement so that, you know, it separates better from the wall. We have more of a 3D look. Just leave it like that with just a double-sided tape because the magnet's gonna adhere to this. But then since it's the garage and it's not climate controlled, you know, eventually the humidity, different temperature here, the tape may lose its adhesion, yeah, over time. So this is just to secure it. And the thing is, I don't want that to fall. It's not like, it's not cheap. And now we're just gonna put the screw and add more magnets. I swear, I don't know what I'm doing. That one, if you only knew. Get all messed up. I hate epoxy. I hate epoxy. That thing smells like skunk. Maybe I should just forget about the E's, like stenography shit. I'm getting tired of this. Just joking. Like a badass Asian. hope you guys find this video informative and entertaining enough, because I've had so much fun doing this. I know whenever I do DIY things, I tend to make the most out of it. It's not just a task for me. I try to find things to entertain me. Yes. So if you guys have any questions, just or make a comment down below, shoot me a message. I am very responsive whenever time permits, and I love reading your comments. Not so with the negative ones, yes, but I guess it's part of, you know, being publicly visible. But it's fine. I don't care. I don't mind negative people. I hate negativities, but that's what life is about, I guess. Partially, you gotta have to deal with that. I'm not being affected by it though. That is all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video fun, entertaining, and a little bit helpful enough to give me a thumbs up or a like, or just, you know, give me a feedback or something, write a comment or whatever, subscribe to my channel. And I am looking forward to making more videos in the future. I may not upload frequently, but I'll try my best to upload quality good ones. Yes, I'm really looking forward to my next video. That's gonna be the garage flooring install. It's gonna be very, very fun because I've designed something very complicatedly, and I am gonna give myself a hard time, and hopefully I'll be able to document that. Yes, but enjoy the rest of your week, guys, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, well, bye bye.